High temperatures, high pressure and high stakes. It's time to race in MotoGP. Marini gets Marini. A massive victory in Mandalika for Pecco Bagnaia. Enea Bastianini, the beast, wins here in the Emilia-Romagna Grand Prix. He does take Ducati's 100th MotoGP success. Is he Ducati's 100 hero? Oh, Bagnaia's gone down. Pecco Bagnaia has crashed out of third place. Can you believe it? Martin gets run right off the circuit. It was ultra aggressive, uber aggressive from Bastianini.
Drama and controversy as MotoGP now heads to Asia for the crucial final stretch in the chase for the MotoGP World Championship.